Hi guys, we are at Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort and we are staying in a standard room with 2 queen beds, and I wanted to give you a little tour so you could see around here. So here we are in the hallway. We're on the 3rd floor in the Americana wing, room number 5321. Easy to remember, 321. And coming in here, when you walk through the door, immediately on your right, you have the bathroom area. Here we have some extra towels, little bit of storage, could probably use a little bit more, especially if you have more than just 2 people here. Hair dryer, usual tissues, soap. And then here we have a separate door, which has a full-length glass mirror and a shower tub combo with cute little retro inspired shampoo, conditioner, and soap for you. Now coming out of the bathroom directly across, you have the closet area where you have the safe with hangers, luggage rack, iron, extra pillow and blankets. And then on this side, you have your ironing board. And then opening up from here into the main room. And as I said, we have 2 queen beds, fun retro theme. And this is a connecting door, so if you're a family, you could request a connecting room. I'm not sure if they would guarantee that or if it would just be on request. Little mini fridge, which comes standard in most of these hotels these days, and some storage for you. Flat screen TV. Coffee station, which is like a single serve coffee pod. Coffees are here. They don't give you milks, they just give you like the powder kind of milk and sugar. So if you want milk, make sure to order or bring it with you. Table with 2 chairs and an ice bucket. And then you can see all the lighting and cute retro style paintings that they have on the wall. And then the last thing to show you guys here is the view, which this, as I said, is a standard view room. So we did get a view of the parking lot. Okay, whatever. It's not important to us. We're not going to be in the room much anyway. The Aventura Hotel, and then on the left side there, you can see the Lowe's Sapphire Resort. From this hotel, you have buses over to the Universal Parks, and you can also walk right next door to Volcano Bay. As well as you could walk across where I just showed you the Lowe's Sapphire Falls and take the water taxi and gets you in a little bit closer. And even if you wanted to, you could take a longer walk and walk all the way in. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour and it might be helpful for your upcoming trip to Universal. If you don't mind giving this video a like button, and if you'd like to see more travel content in the future, hit the subscribe button. Thanks.